We've all had that period in our lives where we had books that we wanted to read so badly. It could be Atomic Habits, The Cash Flow Quadrant, or even The Psychology of Money. But then, life happens. Either we are distracted with deadlines from work, our families, or even every other thing life throws at us. And then we eventually end up not even reading or finishing those books. What if I told you that there is a tool that could give you the main insights without reading the whole book in less than 30 minutes? Yes, 30 minutes. A valid summary with key ideas that makes these books worth reading. That's where 15 Minutes AI comes in. Stick with me and I'll show you how you can reclaim your reading time and focus on your work, family, and every other thing that life throws at you. "15 Minutes AI is an online platform offering high-quality summaries and analysis of over 10,000 books, covering titles across business, self-help, psychology, personal growth, and even fiction. You get summaries in PDF or EPUB, or you can also listen to them like an audiobook in an audio format, whichever fits your lifestyle. Whether you're a professional who wants to gain more knowledge, an entrepreneur who needs business ideas, a student or lifelong learner who wants to read more books without committing much of their time, basically, if you value your time but still want to grow, this AI tool is for you. Let's talk about what makes 15 Minutes AI an interesting AI tool and how you can get to use it. First of all, you can use it to summarize a full book in minutes. Pick any book from the library. It could be Thinking Fast and Slow, Atomic Habits, or even the 5 a.m. Club. And in 15 to 25 minutes, you get a clear summary with key ideas and major lessons from these books. No need to read through hundreds of pages, that takes a lot of time. With these summaries, you can get straight to the point on what you want from these books. You can also use 15 Minutes AI to get key insights and ideas fast. Let's say you're starting a project or building a business, but you need principles from these business books and you need them fast. 15 Minutes AI gives you the framework and core concepts ready to apply immediately. Perfect for decision making, brainstorming, or even sharing with your team. What used to take days or weeks reading and extracting insights, you cannot get it within 15 to 25 minutes with instant clarity. You might be asking yourself, is this tool really that important for me? But all I can tell you is that the older you get, the less time you have for yourself, because there will be all other overwhelming activities that will be taking place in your life. So why don't you take advantage of those little gaps that you have in a day, like those 30 minutes breaks, those 15 minutes breaks that you have? You could just sign up, browse through the library, pick a book that catches your interest, and listen to it. Or if you don't want to listen to it, you can download the offline mode, which is in PDF or EPUB, and see what the book is about. You don't know how many books you can get to listen to in a month. Who knows? So if you've gotten this far into the video, it shows your interest for topics like this. Please do like, subscribe, and click on the notification button to get more updates like this. Trust me, you might be surprised with how many books you can finish within a month. I only talk about tools that I've explored and tested myself. And after testing and exploring the library and summaries of 15 Minutes AI, I can genuinely tell you that this is one of the best ways to keep learning when time is limited. Here is how I'll get to use 15 Minutes AI as a first-time user with these 3 steps that I'm going to talk about. The first one is, I'll pick a book that I've been wanting to read over a long time. It could be about productivity, business, or self-development. Then, second step, I will use 15 Minutes AI to summarize it with the audio format or the text format. And then I'm going to write down 3 key ideas that stood out in the summaries. And then the third step is that I'm going to write down how those key ideas resonate with my work, goals, and daily habits. Do this weekly. That way, you can build a habit of learning and growth, even with a busy schedule. If you want, I'll be sharing the link of the first book I'll be summarizing using 15 Minutes AI down in the description. You can check it out. So if you're struggling to keep up with reading, learning with a busy schedule, or building a business while chasing growth, 15 Minutes AI might just be the shortcut you need. You can try it with the link below in the description. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to those friends that keep on saying that they don't have time to read. Let's turn all those unread books into actionable ideas. together. Until then, keep learning and never stop being curious. Thank you.